Hey everybody, this is Laura again, the Little Book of Train Stories with CD. I bought this so that my kids can be entertained on our long road trip this December.
Train. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Boot, the farmer. She has 2 children called Poppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. Hurry up, says Mrs. Boot. Where are we going today? Asks Poppy. To the old station, says Mrs. Boot. They walk down the lane. Why are we going? There aren't any trains, says Sam. Just you wait and see, says Mrs. Boot. What's everyone doing? Asks Poppy. They're cleaning up the old station, says Mrs. Boot. Everyone's helping today. There's lots to do. Poppy and Sam can help me, says the painter. Coats off and down to work, says Mrs. Boot. Poppy and Sam work hard. Sam brings pots of paint and Poppy brings the brushes. Mrs. Boot sweeps the platform. What's that noise? It's the train. It's coming, says Mrs. Boot. Look, it's a steam train, says Poppy. How exciting! The train puffs down the track. It stops at the platform. The engine gives a long whistle. Everyone cheers and waves. Look, there's Dad, says Sam. He's helping the train driver just for today, says Mrs. Boot. Isn't he lucky, says Poppy. All aboard, says Mrs. Boot. I'll get on here, says Poppy. Come on, Rusty, says Sam. I'll shut the door, says Mrs. Boot.
So that is just a little glimpse of what this delightful little book is. And it has 4 different stories in it with wonderful sound effects. Perfect for car trips or just listening along as you read it to your kid. I know a lot of children are obsessed with trains, including my own 2. So, check it out.